Hey guys, OnePlus finally confirmed that OnePlus 12 launched with Sony LYTIA LYT808 camera sensor. Yes, this is the main camera sensor OnePlus using OnePlus 12 has a main camera. OnePlus also claimed that OnePlus 12 is beginning a featuring the best periscope telephoto lens 64 megapixel in its class, who is OB64B. Yeah, you can get 3x 70mm optical zoom. The lens also capable 6x lossless and 120x digital zoom. Lens also come with large aperture 2.5 and it's help to take a better low light and portrait pictures. And here are some camera sample of the OnePlus 12 and some picture also posted by CEO OnePlus. OnePlus also confirmed that OnePlus camera capability of the OnePlus 12 will be shown on November 9. Another great news, OnePlus camera are done by the PocoPhone team and it fully inherits the competition photographic capture of the Find series. The new algorithm being better details, natural color and better HDR. This week OnePlus also showing the OnePlus 12 the display quality is. The company confirmed that the OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution 120Hz LTPO Poco X1 OLED display. The phone peak brightness is 2600 nits peak brightness with narrowest frame 1.1mm, and the display also the power consumption reduced by 18% and the view angle increased by 30% compared to the OnePlus 11, and the phone also used the new generation LTPO technology. And on the other hand, the OnePlus SE3 or OnePlus 12 are using OVE 1.5K OLED display. Of course, the phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and LPDDR5X 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0 storage. And the phone also comes with the USB 3.2 port, and the battery is also slightly bigger. It comes with 5400 mAh battery and it supports 100 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. So what's the price OnePlus 12? All the new display, camera, SoC and the battery upgrades. OnePlus 12 is going to launch maybe $800. OnePlus 12 are going to launch next month in China, followed by the global release in early 2024. So let me know your thought in the comment section about the OnePlus 12, and thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.